Hey guys, so in the previous video I was talking to you about how people would go to Google and typically search for a product or service using the product or service name first, followed by the location that they're in. I also introduced you to Jackson Law Group very briefly and said that they're an attorney in Jacksonville and that we're going to be doing some work for their website to help it rank in Google. So Jackson Law Group actually specializes in homeowner law. I'm going to do a quick search for that and you'll actually see that in my Google, I have search volume underneath the search box. The reason that I have search volume underneath is because I have installed a Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere. At the moment, you'll see that this says volume 0. So instead of saying Homeowner Association Law Florida, I'm going to change it to say Florida Homeowner Association Law. And now under my search results, you can see that it tells me it gets 170 searches per month. I'm going to show you how to install the Keywords Everywhere plugin now before I talk to you any more about building your own list of keywords related to your business, because this is going to be very, very beneficial for you to have the data right here. So I've already got it installed. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to uninstall this so I can show you the exact steps to get that added. So now that I've just removed that, if I do that search again, you'll see my screen's looking a lot more like yours. There's no data there. So in order to get that information, in Google, go to Keywords Everywhere, do a search for it, and the #1 ranked website is keywordseverywhere.com. Make sure that you do this in Google Chrome. It's an internet browser available for both Windows and Mac machines. So if you haven't got Google Chrome, install that and then Keywords Everywhere. I'm going to click through to the website, Keywords Everywhere, and I'm going to say install for Chrome. And then I'm going to click add to Chrome. This pop-up will come up. I'll click add extension. And once that's added, you should see up in your bookmark bar a black circle with a red K in it. It's now asking me to create an API key so that I can use this plugin. So I'm just going to type in an email address real quick and I'm going to say email me the API key. And this should happen very quickly. I'll go into my email and you can see from Akash Mansukani, he's the plugin owner. I'm going to click on API key here. I'm going to grab this API key and then I'm going to head over to this little black circle with a K in it. And then I'm going to click on update settings and I'm going to put my API key in and click validate. Make sure that you set your country to whichever country it is that you're in. Jackson Law Group is in United States, so I'll set it to that. And if you're ever working in multiple search engines, just remember to come back in here and change your country, because then it will give you the search volume specific to that country. I only want to know people that are in the United States searching for the keyword related to the United States. If you're a big international company, there might be a case for you setting this to global. It doesn't matter where people are searching from in the world. But in this case, Jackson Law Group is a local business, so I'm going to leave that just purely to the United States. Now that that's done, if I come back to the Google search results and I type in, let's just say Florida attorney, you should see that I've got the search volume back again, 720 searches per month. I'm going to stop the video now to give you a chance to go and get the Keywords Everywhere plugin installed. If you've got any problems with that or you need any help, just post in the IMT Professionals Facebook group. In the next video, I'll be talking to you about how we can now build our own keyword list that's custom made for our own business based on using the data we get from Keywords Everywhere. I hope you found that helpful. Cheers.